The U.S. government is offering you a gift, a legal, official, IRS-approved way to grow your money, completely tax-free for the rest of your life. No taxes when it grows, no taxes when you withdraw, none. It's called the Roth IRA, and right now, millions of Americans in their 20s and 30s are completely ignoring it, either because they've never heard of it or because it sounds complicated. Today, I'm going to explain exactly what a Roth IRA is, why it might be the most powerful financial tool available to you right now, and exactly how to open one, step by step, before this video ends. Let's unlock it. Let's start from zero. IRA stands for Individual Retirement Account. It's not a stock. It's not a fund. It's an account, like a special container that holds your investments and gives them special tax treatment. Think of it like a lunchbox. The investments inside, stocks, ETFs, index funds, those are your food. The IRA is the lunchbox that protects them. Without the lunchbox, the government takes a cut every time you earn gains. With the lunchbox, specifically the Roth version, they don't touch it at all. Now, there are two types of IRA, traditional and Roth. Here's the key difference. Traditional IRA, you contribute pre-tax money, meaning you get a tax deduction today. But when you withdraw in retirement, you pay taxes then. You're delaying the tax bill. Roth IRA. You contribute after-tax money, no deduction today, but when you withdraw in retirement, completely tax-free. You're eliminating the tax bill. For most people in their 20s and 30s, the Roth wins. Here's why. Right now, early in your career, your income is probably lower, meaning you're in a lower tax bracket. You pay a small amount of tax on your contributions now. Then your money grows for 30 or 40 years, and you withdraw it all completely tax-free in retirement when you might be in a much higher bracket. That's the game. Pay a little tax now, avoid a massive tax bill later. Let me show you the numbers, because this is where the Roth IRA goes from interesting to life-changing. Meet Jordan. Jordan is 25 years old. Starting salary, nothing special. Jordan opens a Roth IRA and contributes $200 per month, $2,400 per year. Jordan invests in a simple S&P 500 index fund inside the Roth IRA, historically averaging around 8% per year after inflation. Let's see what happens. At age 35, Jordan has contributed $24,000. Account value, $34,908. At age 45, contributed $48,000. Account value, $110,357. At age 55, contributed $72,000. Account value, $274,572. At age 65, contributed $96,000. Account value, $622,765. Over $500,000 from $200 a month, completely tax-free. Now compare that to a regular taxable brokerage account. Same $200 a month, same 8% return, but every year, capital gains taxes, dividend taxes, eating into the growth. After 40 years in a taxable account, roughly $490,000 after taxes. The Roth IRA wins by over $130,000 just from the tax advantage. Same investment, same discipline, different account. Before you open one, there are a few rules you need to understand. Don't worry, they're simpler than they sound. Rule 1. Contribution limit. Contribution limit, $7,000 per year in 2026. That's $583 per month. You can contribute less, any amount works, but you cannot put in more than $7,000 per year. Rule 2. You need earned income. To contribute to a Roth IRA, you need to have earned income, a job, freelance work, self-employment. You can't contribute if you have zero income that year. Rule 3. Income limits. In 2026, If you earn over $161,000 as a single filer, your ability to contribute starts to phase out. Over $176,000, you can't contribute at all. For most people watching this video, you're well under the limit. This is not something you need to worry about right now. Rule 4. The 5-year rule and age 59 and a half. To withdraw your earnings tax-free, 2 conditions must be met. Your account must be at least 5 years old, and you must be at least 59 and a half years old. Important exception, and this is a big deal. The money you actually put in, your contributions, can be withdrawn anytime for any reason with no penalty and no taxes. It's already your money. Only the growth, the earnings, needs to stay until 59 and a half for the tax-free benefit. This makes the Roth IRA more flexible than most people realize. Here's where most beginners get stuck. They open the Roth IRA and then freeze because they don't know what to buy. I'm going to make this extremely simple. You don't need to pick stocks. You don't need to research companies. You don't need to watch financial news. Here are your 3 best options as a beginner. Option 1. VTI owns a tiny piece of over 3,700 U.S. companies. Expense ratio 0.03%. That's 30 cents per $1,000 invested per year. One fund, entire U.S. market, done. Option 2. VOO tracks the 500 largest U.S. companies. Expense ratio 0.03%. This is what people mean when they say just invest in the market. Option 3. Target date fund. Example, Vanguard Target Retirement 2055. You pick the fund closest to your retirement year. It automatically adjusts. More aggressive when you're young, more conservative as you approach retirement. Truly set it and forget it. Perfect if you want 0 decisions. Any of these 3 is an excellent choice. The best one is the one you actually buy and hold. Stop researching and start investing. Time in the market beats timing the market, always. Okay, step by step, here is exactly how to open your Roth IRA today. Step 1. Choose your platform. 3 best options for beginners. Fidelity, my top recommendation. 0 account fees, no minimums, fractional shares, excellent beginner tools. Go to fidelity.com. Charles Schwab, equally excellent. No minimums, great customer service. Go to schwab.com. Vanguard, the original low-cost investing pioneer. Slightly less beginner-friendly interface, but rock solid. Go to vanguard.com. Pick one. They're all great. Don't spend more than 5 minutes deciding. Step 2. Click Open an Account and select Roth IRA. You'll fill out basic information: name, address, social security number, employment info. Takes about 10 minutes. Step 3. Fund your account. Link your bank account. Transfer your initial deposit. Even $50 works. You're not committing to a huge amount. You're just getting started. Step 4. Buy your investment. Once money is in the account, it's not automatically invested. You have to buy something. Search for VTI or VOO. Enter the amount you want to invest. Confirm the purchase. That's it. You now have a Roth IRA. You are officially an investor. Step 5. Set up automatic monthly contributions. Go to the automatic investment settings. Set up a recurring transfer from your bank, whatever amount you can afford on payday. Even $50 a month, even $25. The amount matters less than the habit. Before I let you go, 3 mistakes I see beginners make with their Roth IRA. Mistake 1. Opening the account but not investing. This is extremely common. People open the Roth IRA, transfer money in, and leave it sitting as cash. Cash inside a Roth IRA earns almost nothing. Opening the account and buying an investment are 2 separate steps. Make sure you complete both. Mistake 2. Waiting until you have more money. There is no perfect time to start. $50 invested today beats $500 invested 2 years from now because of compound interest and time. Start with whatever you have. Increase it over time. Mistake 3. Panic selling when the market drops. The market will drop. It always does. In 2020, the market dropped 34% in 1 month. People who who sold locked in their losses. People who held and kept buying recovered everything within months and then some. Your Roth IRA is a 30-year account. A bad year is noise. Stay the course. Let's bring it all together. A Roth IRA is a retirement account where your money grows completely tax-free. You contribute after-tax dollars now, up to $7,000 per year, and pay zero taxes on the growth or withdrawals in retirement. For most people in their 20s and 30s, it is the single best investment account available. Open one at Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard. Buy VTI or VOO. Set up automatic monthly contributions. Don't touch it for 30 years. That's the whole strategy. No complexity, no stock picking, no watching the market every day. The government is offering you a gift. Most people don't take it because they don't know it exists. Now you know. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe. Next week, we're talking about the 401k, your employer's retirement plan, and the one move that gives you an instant 100% return on your money. The best time to open your Roth IRA was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now. Go open it.